Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. Stick around until the end of this video, because we'll be playing a fun game of rock, paper, scissors with you. So, stay tuned to find out if you can beat Dino Jr. Goodbye for now. Okay, let's start picture book.
5 digests before starting the video. Okay, let's start.
Welcome, curious kiddos. Today, we're going to uncover the secret sounds of our furry feline friends. Cats. Get ready to learn why they purr. Meow, meow. Cats have a special way of communicating with us. One of those ways is by purring. Have you ever wondered why cats make that soft, vibrating sound? Let's find out. Cats purr when they're happy and content. It's like their way of saying, I'm feeling great. Imagine if we could purr, too. That would be fun. Purr. When a cat purrs, it's like a little engine inside them. They're so relaxed and cozy that their whole body vibrates, creating that soothing sound. It's like a kitty's way of saying, I'm feeling really good. But purring isn't just about happiness. Sometimes cats may purr when they're scared or nervous too. It's their way of trying to comfort themselves. Or, poor kitties. Now, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that purring isn't just for us humans to hear? Cats also use purring to communicate with other cats. It's like their secret language. Purr. Cats might purr to show friendship, to cool their kittens, or even to tell other cats, hey, I come in peace, let's be friends. How cool is that? But hey, don't worry if you can't purr like a cat. You have your own special ways to express yourself, like smiling, laughing, or even giving hugs. Cats purr. And we have our unique ways of showing happiness too. Furthermore, let's introduce a few more fascinating facts about our kitty friends. Cats are nocturnal creatures. That means they love to get active at night. During the day, they enjoy taking cozy cat naps, and when night falls, they go on adventures and play. Going to sleep and saying goodnight is the most exciting time for them. Cats have their own language. When they're happy or excited, they raise their tails. When their tail is upright, it means they are having the most fun. And when they wag their tails, it's their way of saying they want to play. Also, cats are quite chatty. They try to tell us things with various meows. When they go meow, meow, they might be telling you that they're hungry. They love it when you take care of them. Lastly, cats are amazingly agile and great at climbing to high places. They enjoy perching in high spots, looking down, and having little adventures. They are experts at balancing to make sure they don't fall. Kitties are truly fascinating creatures and make our daily lives more enjoyable. Until our next adventure, let's have a wonderful time. So the next time you hear a kitty purring, remember that it's just their way of saying, I'm feeling really good. And I want to be friends with you. Cats are such fascinating creatures, aren't they? That's all for today's adventure into the secret sounds of cats. Meow some job, kiddos. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. See you next time.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special guest with us. Dino Jr. is ready for a fun game of rock, paper, scissors, and we want you to play along. Are you ready, Dino Jr.? Dino Jr., what do you choose, folks? Alright, here we go. It's time for our first round of rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready? Rock, paper, or scissors? Rock, paper, or scissors? Make your decision and get ready to see who wins. Great job. Dino Jr. That was an awesome game, Dino Jr. Thanks to all of you for playing along. What were your results? Did you win any rounds against Dino Jr.? Okay, next. We're on to the final round. It's your last chance to win against Dino Jr. Will you make it count? Are you ready? Rock, paper, or scissors? Rock, paper, or scissors? Make your decision and get ready to see who wins. Dino Jr. We had a great time, and we can't wait to play with you all again. Exactly, Dino Jr. So, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss the next exciting game with us. That's right, see you next time, and let us know in the comments if you want to play more games with Dino Jr. in the future. Bye, everyone.